Hi everyone, today here in Ozzo's Kitchen, we're going to be making a very special dish, chicken martini. I have chicken fillets, I have flour, egg, grated cheese, fresh parsley, Himalayan salt, lemon juice, white wine, pepper, and butter over here. So the first thing you're going to want to do, you're going to want to take the chicken and you're going to want to coat it into the flour. Make sure it's a nice even coat, make sure you're covering the whole thing. There's no laps or edges in there. Shake it off. Throw it in the egg. Same thing with the next one. Take that, shake it off, throw it in the egg. Use the opposite hand so you're not mixing your wet and your dry hands. Take that, coat it in there, take off the excess, put it there. Next one, same process. So take this, shake it up a little bit. You're going to want to coat the whole thing in Parmesan cheese. Okay? Even if you got to flip it a couple times just to get it, make sure the whole thing is coated. You want a nice thick coating because when that goes to cook, that's pretty much going to create your crust to what you see when you go to eat it. Excess. Okay, next, let's take it over to the stove. Let's get cooking. Okay, so we have our black pepper, our salt, our lemon juice, our white wine, our chicken, and our butter. I have a pan here. I'm going to put it on high, and I'm going to put the oil in. You're not going to want too much. You're not deep frying this. You just want it to coat the bottom a little bit there. So this is one of the few dishes I'm going to say that you want the oil to be smoking when you put the chicken in. And the reason for that is if the oil's too low, it's going to make the chicken it's going to make the Parmesan cheese melt and it's not going to give it a nice thick crust. So you're definitely going to want to wait for this to get a little smoky and then you're going to want to toss your chicken. Okay everyone. Notice the oil started to get a little smoky. You can start to see it rise from the pan, so you're going to want to get your chicken and just do a little test. See that? Drop it right in there. Notice it quickly takes to the oil, and you will notice that crust on there starts to form right away. Okay, notice I also brought a little bit of flour over. That's going to be our thickening agent. Pretty much when we go to make our sauce, and I brought an extra pan to put our chicken in. And let's get it going. Let's see what we can get going. That's good. I also got a pot here to drain the oil. We're gonna need that. It's gonna be very important because for me, at least, when I make this, the quick reactions in draining the oil and getting the saucepan in there and getting that cooking is real important to me. Okay, so it's starting to brown. You see the edges around the sides starting to brown. Let's give that a flip. One at a time. Notice the coating on there. See, it's brown. If the oil was too low, that wouldn't happen. It would just pretty much melt off. So we got our oil hot enough, and we gave it a nice good crust. Now let's let this cook a little bit, get nice and brown, and then we'll take it to the next step. So the chicken is both browned on both sides. You're gonna want to take these out. Remember, these don't need to be fully cooked. All right, you're just getting the coating on the outside. The cooking is gonna come when we leave it in the sauce. Now you're going to want to drain the oil. Drain that. Wipe the sides of the pan. Put it back on the flame. Toss your chicken in. Bam! Watch this. Throw some flour. Flip it. Throw a little more flour. That's going to thicken our sauce, right? Throw the wine. Get a little flame. Obviously, most of us are cooking at home. So throw in your lemon juice. Throw in your chicken stock. I have some chicken stock over here. Throw that. Throw a little bit of salt. Just remember it's Parmesan cheese, so it's going to be salty to begin with anyway. So you're just going to want a little bit. Throw in your pepper. Just like that. And there you have it. Let's let that cook. And we're going to see what that comes out to. Oh, and our butter. Okay, our sauce is cooked down, our chicken's cooked. I also got some spinach that I cooked down. Notice it's kind of dry because it's gonna go right under the chicken, and I'm gonna show you how to plate this. So we have our spinach. Get that, squeeze along the edge. Put that right there. Get it in a nice little bunch. Then, let's get the chicken. Lay this across the top, just as so. And there you have it. Pour your sauce over. And finish it. Get a little bit of this parsley that I chopped before. And there you have it, folks. Chicken martini.